April they have done this, and we have been suffering from a lot of dust pollution. And now they have been repairing this for about 1 month, but nothing. We can see the potholes. There are about 3 people who have already died here. We have given complaint, but the panchayat does nothing about this. It's not only the road, about the road. Now we have the RT school just right on the limit over here. If you put the camera and just see, we have the RT school. They use this full passage as a parking area. We can't even get out of our homes, okay? Now these potholes, the people of Sangolda have done the potholes. We, the people of Sangolda, have done the potholes. But still the panchayat has not even come and doing. You can just take a look at all the potholes here. It's an accident prone area right now. So I don't know who's going to do. Every time the media also comes up, we are just talking, we are saying, but nothing is done. Now it's about 1 year, over a year we are fighting over this.
Madam, this what makes is new, what makes no?
Brand new. This is just April they did this, April, May. Now June the rain started, all the potholes. It's not even 1 month, I think, potholes. Many tourists who come here, they fall down, they die. Because in late night, there is so much of sound that we don't even get sleep, at night. So we don't know whether it's an accident. So we run out all the time. But now we are so used to all this running around that we don't run anymore to hell. Because running every time, we are getting disturbed at the night, we are getting disturbed in the afternoon. So I really don't know whom to complain. We have told the panchayat, they only take the money, I think, and they sit tight there. And so now we people from Sangolda have put money from our pockets, and we have done this. So now who's going to pay the workers and the people, the ladies and all who are doing all this work, we really don't know. And how much to complain and where to complain, because there's nothing, no action is being taken. So tell us now where we need to go next. That's all I can say.